Hi guys, welcome my channel, Mommy Play.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here. Yeah, I'm with my baby. Guess what? Guess who is 6 months? My baby is 6 months. Yeah, so we are officially starting our solid today. So she's gonna be taking her very solid today. So I'm gonna be making her carrots. I can't wait to see her reaction. I can't wait to know how she's gonna react. So baby girl, are you happy? Are you ready for your first solid? Let's see. So hold on, girl. Hold on. But you know, starting babies with solid is kind of what do you want to say? It's kind of complicated because you're going to be thinking, what are they going to eat? Are they going to like it? Are you saying something? So I'm going to be making her carrots today. So let's just see how it's going to take it. So guys, and to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if it's your first time seeing me here, thank you for stopping by. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So I already cut the carrot. The carrot is washed and clean. So I'm not going to use everything. I'm just going to use a few from it. So I'm going to put the rest in the Ziploc. Hello.
Cheese.
What?
Cheese.
She said cheese. That's alright. They say cheese. Say cheese. They grew up so fast, just like yesterday that I gave birth to her. She's already 6 months. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know, right?
No,
So that's why I say you need to create a lot of memories with your babies because they grow up so fast.
No. Hi guys, welcome my channel, Mommy Play.
That's so sweet, you know? So you're still looking for the carrots to cook. You still have anything to say? Are you going to feed your sister? So the carrot is ready, so I'll just allow it to cool down for a little bit before I can blend it. You see, she did not eat anything, just only few things, few spoon, maybe up to a tablespoon sef. So, oh, she needs something. I'm just gonna go back to the base, which is milk that she takes. Tomorrow again, we continue. We are not giving up. Tomorrow we move. Maybe she might take something else tomorrow. So tomorrow again, we're gonna try this leftover. So I'm just gonna put it in a ice cube train to put it in the freezer. So it's gonna last a while in the freezer with putting in the ice cube. So I'm just gonna throw this one away. So guys, this is day 2. For day 2, I'm making her sweet potato. Hopefully she's gonna like it. It's a little bit thick here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of breast milk on it. So let's see if she's gonna like it.
How should I bring her water? Can she use sippy cup like this, Mommy? Mom, can she use sippy cup like Ivana likes? Can she use sippy cup like this and Eliana?
Make sure you like and follow Football with Maria for the full 2020 journey. See you there.
Don't do that. Open, shut, open, shut. Clap, clap, clap. Open, shut.
2-0.
Shut.
No, they refuse.
Open, shut, open, shut. Put a little clap, clap, clap. Chicken strawberry. And you're that strawberry. She's like, is this one fit?
What is that?
That is it for this video. I think my little one enjoyed the carrot more than the sweet potato. But the sweet potato, she didn't even eat much. So I decided to give her the strawberry, which she really likes.
So guys, thank you so much for watching and be part of our journey. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please do it to subscribe and turn on notification so you not miss any of our video. And let me know in the comment section what food your babies tried first. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.